Hey guys, what's up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 easy and delicious recipes that all use Trader Joe's items. I know you guys are going to love them, so definitely make sure to stay until the end of the video. Please let me know which meal was your favorite. I am always curious to know. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this if you do enjoy it. But anyway, without further ado, let's get cooking. By the way, this Trader Joe's coffee creamer is my new obsession. It seriously is so good. It just adds the perfect touch of sweetness to your coffee. I highly recommend trying it out if you haven't. If you are an avocado toast fan, then you're gonna love this breakfast recipe because it's like a fun spin on it and it's seriously so fun. So we're gonna start by air frying 2 of these frozen Trader Joe's hash brown patties. I'm gonna cook them at 380 degrees for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna flip them over and cook them for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. If you don't own an air fryer, you could of course use your oven as well, but I am just personally obsessed with my air fryer. They're just so convenient. I honestly use it like every single day. So yeah, they're just the best. I'm kind of bummed at how my eggs turned out, so let's just ignore that, but it'll still taste good anyway. We're gonna top it off now with some everything bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. The stuff is so good. Then we're just gonna top it off with this hot honey from Trader Joe's as well. Shocker. And if you're a saucy person like me, you could even add some of this balsamic glaze on top too because it's so good. I'm obsessed with this stuff. This is such an easy, flavorful breakfast. It's so freaking good. I'm in heaven right now. Alright guys, it is time for lunch. I'm finally getting hungry again. We're going to be making a delicious barbecue chicken salad. It is seriously so good. And even if you're not a big salad person, I still think you'll really like this one because it's super flavorful. I've already made it several times now. I just can't get enough of it. And my boyfriend liked it so much that he even brought it up the next day to tell me how good it was again. So that is saying something. We're actually going to be using these organic chicken nuggets from Trader Joe's. They are seriously so good. And I just love that they have no antibiotics ever, no added hormones, all vegetarian feed, and they're also free range. Again, we are using our trusty air fryer to make these. Like I said, I use my air fryer way too much, and I typically don't clean it until the end of the night since I do use it so often. But if you want to keep it clean in between each meal, you could just put down some parchment paper or tin foil in the basket and that will help keep it clean. I don't know why I don't do that, but you know, I just don't. Also, something cool about these chicken nuggets is that they actually have an option to cook them in your air fryer on the back, which is usually not like typical on a package. So I just thought that was pretty cool. And I recommend using romaine lettuce like I am here or butter lettuce for your base. I've tried it with both and they both turned out really good. So we're gonna add our tomatoes. I did a lot, oops. And then we're gonna do some black beans. Oh my. And then some corn. to finish off the salad, we just have 3 different toppings to add. So we have some cilantro here. I'm also gonna add some of this Trader Joe's barbecue sauce and then this ranch seasoning. It is so good. All of these flavors just go really well together, I promise. And there you have it, guys. This was so simple to make and it's so yummy. I'm so excited to eat it. I'm also gonna have a peach on the side. Peaches are my favorite fruit right now, and I'm having it in a bowl because I don't have any napkins and these are super messy. It's dinner time. We're gonna be making some yummy air fried teriyaki salmon. I'm so hungry right now. So we're also gonna do some veggies and some rice on the side. It's gonna be really good. We're making some oven roasted green beans. They're super good. I'm just gonna put some olive oil on them. Then for seasonings, we're just gonna do salt, pepper, and then this unami seasoning from Trader Joe's. I love it on veggies. I wish this would focus. Oh, there we go. And all we're gonna do is cover the salmon in this soyaki sauce from Trader Joe's. It's just like a special teriyaki sauce, I guess, but it is so delicious. I love it on like everything. And then we're gonna pop it right into the air fryer. Right before we put this in to cook, we're actually gonna top it off with some everything bagel seasoning. Also, a lot of these recipes say to do like 375, but I don't have that setting, so I always just do 380 and cook it a little longer, which I don't really mind. So yeah, but if you have 375, go for that. By the way, today's Sunday vibes are watching Monsters, Inc. Such a good movie. And then you can just add some soy sauce if you want. And bon appetit. This looks so fire. Nala's being so crazy right now. She has a zoomies. It's like after 10 o'clock and this is what she does. She just gets really crazy at night. Like, what is she even doing? Nala! Nala! Hey. Anyway, I'm gonna go play with Nala and then finish Monsters, Inc. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved all of the recipes so much. I couldn't recommend them more. And as you guys saw, they're just so easy to make, which is the best part. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know which meal was your favorite. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Nala is screaming from the closet right now, so I gotta go. But see you guys in my next one. Bye.